Hi friends, welcome back to the News Hut Media channel. Why Indian IT companies focus on services, not products. Let's break down complex topics in simple ways. Today we are diving into a question that's been bugging a lot of tech enthusiasts. India is a global IT powerhouse with giants like TCS, Infosys, WIPRO and HCL. But here's the thing. Why aren't we seeing the next Google or Apple come out of India? Why does Indian IT mostly focus on services, not world-class products? Is it just about making easy money, or is there more to the story? Let's find out. The rise of Indian IT. In the late 80s and 90s, the Indian IT revolution took off. Here's what made India the go-to destination for IT services. A huge pool of English-speaking tech-savvy graduates. Significantly lower labor costs compared to the West. Western companies wanted to cut costs, and India offered the perfect solution. So instead of building new software products, Indian firms focused on support, maintenance, development, and outsourcing. Solve others' problems, not build your own. That became the business model. And services means low risk, high reward. Why services, not products? Okay, but why didn't Indian IT go the product route? Reason 1. Risk appetite is low. Building a product takes time, innovation, and risk, with no promise of success. Services, you get paid from day one. So Indian firms chose stability over creativity. Reason 2. Investor and client pressure. Most Indian IT companies are public or work with big enterprise clients. Quarterly results matter. A product might take years to generate profit. That doesn't sit well with investors. Reason 3. Talent drain. Let's be real. Many of India's top engineers end up working for Google, Microsoft, Amazon abroad. Back home, the startup scene only started picking up after 2010. Reason 4. Lack of product mindset. Services are about execution and efficiency. Products are about disruption and vision. Indian IT culture was built for compliance and scale, not risk and innovation. Services means execution. Products means vision. Is it just about money? Let's be honest. Yes, money plays a huge role. Service models are profitable, stable, and low risk. So why spend 5 years building a product that might fail when you can make billions with outsourcing? But here's the flip side. It creates dependency. Most Indian IT firms rely on clients from the US and Europe. So if there's a policy change like tariffs, H-1B issues, or automation trends, the whole system feels the shock. Are things changing? Yes, and this is the exciting part. A new wave of Indian tech startups is product first, solving global problems. Like Zoho, enterprise SaaS from Chennai, Freshworks, listed on Nasdaq, Razorpay, Postman, Zerodha, building strong IP and platforms. Even the big players are adapting, like TCS, Infosys, WIPRO, and HCL are now investing in AI tools, in-house platforms, intellectual property. Indian IT didn't start with a product mindset, and that made sense back then. But the future? It belongs to the builders, not for servers. I hope and wish Indian IT firms are focusing and building more and more products. So, what do you think? Will India ever create a global product giant like Apple, Google, or Microsoft? Or will services continue to dominate? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like this video if you found it insightful. Subscribe for more such interesting videos from the News Hut Media. Thanks for watching.